Today I will create two different celeb dramatic eye looks for upcoming Durga Puja. I will be using the Plum Skin Loving Makeup. Plum has come up with some amazing makeup launches and it's 100% vegan and cruelty free. For my first look, I'm using the Legit Matte Compact, which is lightweight, that smoothens skin and minimizes the pores. Next, I'm using the Nature Studio All Day Wear Kohl Kajal in the shade Black Brilliance, applying it on my waterline and also on my lower lash line and smoking it out. Now topping it off with the I Swear by Volume Mascara, it gives a beautiful length to my lashes. And lastly, applying the Matte in Heaven liquid lipstick in the shade Grape Expectation to finish the look. Now for my second look, first I'm filling my brows with the I Swear by Brow Definer. The shade I'm using is Ash Black. Next I'm using Touch and Go Lip and Cheek Tint as my blush, and I will also apply this as my lip tint. The shade I'm using is Mauve Along. I'm using the I Swear by Matte Liner. It is super pigmented. Applying the Plum Nature Studio in the shade Gemstone Green on my lower lash line. So these are the two looks I have created. Let me know which one you like the most in the comment section below.